Ladies and gentlemen, understanding variation is the key to success in quality and our industry customers' business. Centering industry scenarios, Huawei innovative storage products and solutions will help customers embrace new data, new application, and new resonance. From the perspective of the ICT infrastructure, focusing on high-value industry and scenarios, Huawei will be committed to innovate transmission, computing, storage infrastructure, and digital cloud platform, addressing customers' scenario pain points and help customers accelerate digital transformation.
So, and what kind of basic architectural principles do we have? Well, there's on the one hand the traditional make systems bigger and bigger. And so this is kind of the traditional way of doing it. This is run your database system, install your database system, and whenever there is more demand, just move it to a bigger machine. On the other hand, more or less the modern style of data management is, of course, scale out. Many, many machines, hundreds, thousands of machines running data analytics jobs, somehow having and representing this kind of new world of data management.
The feeling is a lot more positive than it was. Times are still going to be tough, for sure, but when we look at what CEOs are expecting and what they are banking on, it's technology. That is going to help, and this is Europe specific, this is going to help them grow. They're also looking for automation and productivity, clearly. If we're looking at what's expected of the CIO, it's to drive efficiency. It's to drive transformation and to do this with data. Now, there seems to be maybe a little bit of a disconnect, but those things are very clearly connected. Very busy slide. Let me just talk you through it. If you look on the right-hand side, the focus that we see from a CEO perspective of what they want CIOs, technology leadership to focus on, it's modernizing IT, and that remains. Risk management has rocketed up in terms of the expectation on the CIO, and I think that's all clear. But then when we look at cost management, we look at orchestrating digital leadership, that's actually now more in the remit of the whole C-suite. So this is not just a technology thing. This is not just the CIO talking to the CFO. Everyone has to agree on that.
So we introduced, or Huawei actually introduced the Ocean Store Pacific to our system. We integrated into the pipeline, and this really changed a lot in terms of bandwidth and compression and downloading times. So with this, we reached actually 18 gigabyte per second of bandwidth, which means that we really drastically lowered the copy time, which actually end up in the end that we could copy in just 2 hours the whole data. So we could do like now a lunch break, basically copy down or download all the data, and we could even on the same day do a complete fill up of our spaces again. So we can utilize our storages basically way faster than we could actually before.
We take out all our essentials. We ask for POC from all vendors. We write requirements and KPIs, all of them. And we made about 4 vendors a POC, and only one vendor shows us all the requirements, all requested KPIs to us. That was a Huawei, and it's a best POC I have ever seen. And the other companies skipped some items, and so we made another meetings to demonstrate our requirements, and we lose time. So time is most important thing in our life, and Huawei is using time effectively.
And okay, the findings. with that solution, we have a good solution which is scalable and has a good price. And it helped us reducing or replacing a high available NetApp systems, which was really not at good price, the NetApp system. So we could integrate all data from NetApp into our system. And to be honest, isn't it a good feeling having a Ferrari in your garage, but having to pay the price of a Volkswagen? Thank you.
Based on our understanding and insights, Huawei ransomware protection storage solution offers first a 6-layer comprehensive protection with industry's first network storage collaboration for ransomware protection technologies. This 6-layer protection includes network anti-intrusion, network anti-proliferation, detection, analysis, secure snapshots, backup recovery, and air gap protection. So that's a lot of technologies. Yeah? And then secondly, we have a very high accurate detection, 90.9%. It's based on machine learning, and we deliver accurate anti-ransomware identification by our Ocean Cyber Data Security Appliance, which is available on display at our booth. Third, we build an isolation zone, which is more effective and secure to keep data invisible to ransomware. Fourth, rapid recovery. And this is attributed to our local secure snapshot, which recovers data in seconds. And we can add to that our Ocean Protect system, which has a bandwidth of up to 172 terabytes per hour. So that's an enormous speed that we can use to recover data back from the backup system. And when you have an attack, I think restore time is key, and that's a very, very high bandwidth that we can deliver on this platform.
In response to the rapid digital transformation of the enterprise, storage innovation will expand beyond the basic dimensions of capacity, performance, and reliability, integrating the energy efficiency, the resilience, and multi-cloud ecosystem. We propose the 6 technology directions for innovations, and I will introduce these technologies.
I'm pleased to introduce you to the 3rd edition of the Global Data Compression Competition. The first 2 editions were already held in 2020 and 2021. The aim of this competition is to attract the interest of everybody that is interested in encoding better, either from a compression ratio point of view or from a coding time and decoding time perspective. And you are lucky, because the competition is already open. It started early in May. It will remain open until the last days of September, and then the prizes will be awarded in October in a ceremony that will take place quite likely in Barcelona. The competition is funded by Huawei, so thank you very much, Huawei. And we're helping them organize the competition.